Welcome to VAK's lecture. In our previous video, we have discussed about generations of computer programming languages. In that, we have seen low-level programming languages. If you have not seen, I will provide the link in description box. You can catch here. And this video is part 2. In this video, we will discuss about high-level programming languages. So, let us start. The high-level programming languages are considered as high-level because they are closer to human-readable languages than the machine-level languages. The high-level languages are converted into machine language by using any one of the translators called compiler or interpreter. Translator in the sense it is used to convert the human readable code into binary combination of zeros and ones, which is directly understood by the computer system. These high-level programming languages are again categorized into structured-oriented language, object-oriented language, and natural languages. Now we will see about these three. Structured-oriented language. To write the programs, we have to follow some of the structure. This structure consists of a list of instructions where each statement tells the computer to do something. When a program becomes larger, it is divided into functions or modules, and module is one of the cornerstone of structured programming. Simply, we can say that structured language follows the procedure and it follows the top-down approach. We will discuss about this top-down approach in our next coming videos. And C, Basic, Pascal are the examples of structured-oriented language. Now we will see some of the advantages. This is user-friendly language. Why? Because user can read and understand easily and also solve the problems easily than the assembly language. These are very easy to learn, easy to read and easy to remember. Here programs are machine independent, means there is no need of microcontrollers or microprocessors. If a program is written and executed on one computer, it can also be used by different computers. Some of the disadvantages. It will take more time to execute the program. Because of compilers, this situation will happen. The work of compiler is to execute entire program at a time. If there are no errors, then the further execution will start. If any errors are there, then it displays all the errors at a time. Because of this reason, it will take more time for the execution. And because of this reason, it is slower than the low-level language, means assembler is faster than the compiler. Object-oriented language. In this language, we have object-oriented approach. The main idea behind this is to focus on objects rather than the procedure. Then, what is an object? Simply, we can say that object is a software that consists of bundle of variables and methods. That means whatever data we require, all are grouped together as an object. This language follows the bottom-up approach. And we will discuss about this approach also in our next coming videos. And the main features are data abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and overloading. C++, Java, PHP are the examples for the object-oriented language. Now we will see some of the advantages of this language. Previously, whatever mentioned, all those features are advantages only. And we can provide the security to the data. It is user-friendly language. And highly complex programs or software can be managed easily by using this language. And also, we can reuse the code. Some of the disadvantages. To implement the programs or to develop a software, the programmer should have design skills, technical skills, and programming skills. If the programmer is not having these skills, then he could not implement the programs in an efficient way. Next one, natural language. This language is used to solve the problems using the constraints given to the program. How we are thinking, likewise, they are developing a machine. It is high level language based on logic, constraints, and some declarations. These are widely used in artificial intelligence research, speech, and face recognition. We need expert systems because we are developing a machine like humans. For example, Prologue. And some of the advantages. They are most accurate and works at high speed. We can access them 24 by 7 and the duplication of them is very easy. Some of the disadvantages. They need high standard of maintenance, so these are very expensive and having very complex programs. It doesn't have any common sense and can understand only the commands, not the situations. So, this is about high level programming languages. If you got to learn anything from this video, please like, share, subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon for more new updates. Thank you.